Good morning, America. It's GI Dave again. I gotta fix my hat over here. We're in San Marino, the next town over. We're about 6.6 miles in. The crew just had coffee at this little shop here. Now the group's here. We're gonna check out there's a little church over here. So there's the crew right there. Jay, San Marino? This town is San Marino. Yeah. Yep. So it's a church, Mary here. So we're gonna check out this church. I don't know what year this was built, but just showing you right there. Just want to show you in here. These are pilgrims in here. Okay, so now we're on our way. Just want to see, said a couple prayers in there earlier. So we're halfway to our destination. Master Chief is there, Mary's behind me, the rest of the crew is in front. So we're making our way. Here we go on the El Camino. So got my rain poncho. The rain held off a little bit, not too bad. It's a nice little quaint town, you know. So now we're heading, the crew's up ahead, and this is awesome. It was very crowded at the coffee shop. So, oh, look at this, we got a dog over here. Let's go say hello to the dog, the cow. Let's go say hello to the dog, yeah. Hi, Trish. Hi, Trish. Hey, Cãozito. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, okay, bye-bye. I'm done with you. All right, we're going over here. There's a big crucifix over here. Let's go check it out. There's Jay and my wife.
Training run. And
there's like a little villa over here. Interesting.
Gloves kind of training run. And
so, yeah, traffic jam on the Camino again. And a nice little sculptures, a nice little hangout over here. Everyone's hanging out here. It's a little big monument there. Yeah. So there's everybody there. Yeah, it's a nice little picnic area here in San Marino. So, okay. So we're heading on the thing. Little water fountain over here, a little playground. Say hello, everybody. All right. So now we begin our journey again here. There's the marker. Yeah. Yeah. There it is. Yeah. Nice. The marker there. Everyone's in there. Okay, we're making our way. All right, so we're halfway to our destination. We're 6.77 miles in. So I will report back later. All right, this is GI Dave, Alpha Tango out.